Entering IIT without any JEE examination. This is the design courses by IITs. So this organizing institute is IIT Bombay. This is the official site. This is a common entrance exam for design course for the year 2021. This is a common entrance exam. So this is the official site. You can see here important dates, examination, programs, and how to apply. At the end of the video we will be seeing how to apply. Before that we will get into the details of who are eligible and what are the design perspective, and also what is the eligibility criteria and the fee structure. This is organized by IIT Bombay this year for 2021. So this is the entrance examination for the design programs for MDes, that is Masters in Design and Ph.D. programs, and the online registration it is already started from September 9th to October 10th, the last date for online application. So with late fee it is extended till 17th of October. The date of examination will be January 17th 2021, that is Sunday. Stipulated time is 9 AM to 12 PM. This is regarding the examination date and online application. This is the brochure. So here we can see what is CEED. See, the CEED is about a common entrance examination for a design, and it is to assess the candidate aptitude test in some of the design involving some visual perception ability, drawing skills, logical reasoning, and also some of the communication and problem solving skills. So this is conducted by IIT Bombay this year. So it is the qualifying examination. Remember, this is a qualifying examination for admission to Master of Design. So this is a great course. I can call it as Master of Design. The programs at the IISc Bangalore and IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Guwahati, and IIT Hyderabad, Kanpur, IIIT, Jabalpur, and also for PhD programs in design at IISc, IITB, IIT Guwahati, IIT Hyderabad, and Kanpur. So this is a qualifying examination, and the final selection will be after qualifying this CEED examination. The score is valid for an year of 1 year, and after that you need to apply for different IITs based on this score. So they will also conduct another test or interview depending upon the number of applicants. So it consists of 2 papers. Actually, CEED 2021 consists of 2 papers. It will be held on January 17th 2021, and it consists of 2 papers, Part A and Part B. So Part A consists of numerical answer type, multiple choice questions, and also multiple select questions. So Part A has to be given on the computer, so it is computer, and this will be a design aptitude type numericals, and also some of the analytical and logical reasoning, languages, observation, and also design sensitive. It is kind of a design orientation of numerical answer type questions. In Part B there will be 5 questions which is to be written by your handwriting out of 100 marks. So it should be written on by you through a booklet which is aimed for test design, drawing, and writing skills. So this Part B is about writing skill examination to be written in answer book provided by the invigilator. So first exam, Part A, will be based on computer test, and after that it will be followed by a written skill, so called answer book writing skill examination for 100 marks. So this is what regarding the CEED 2021 examination criteria. It will be held on January 17, 2021 from 9 AM to 12 PM. The shortlisting is based on the merit and cutoff. The weightage So the final score will be calculated by giving 25% weightage to marks obtained in Part A and 75% marks for obtained in Part B. So if you have written skills, so improve your writing skills so that your selection will be based majorly on Part B, so-called writing skills. In the Part B, which is for 100 marks, you will have 5 questions and you need to answer that 5 questions through a written paper. So this is the criteria. So most of the weightage is given to Part B. This is the important dates how to the online registration from September 9th to October 10th. With late fee, it will be from October 11th to 17th, and the date of the 2021 examination is January 17, 2021 from 9 am to 12 pm. It is Sunday. So declaration of results is also given, and scorecard is also available from March 8, 2021. Examination cities all over the India it will be conducted. So these are the examination cities: Bhopal, Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh. So all over the India it will be conducted. These are the examination cities. So candidate should choose compulsory 3 choice of examination centers in order of their preference. So once while choosing the priority or examination cities, once you click on enter, after that it cannot be modified. So please take care necessary criteria while you are applying so that you will not apply for a wrong examination center. So these are the programs for the CEED qualified students for eligible for M Design, that is Master in Design, and Ph.D program. Mostly it will be design oriented courses. These are institutes. As you can see, Center for Product Design and Manufacturing. It is a kind of very booming course in product design and engineering. Industrial Design Center, so industrial design, communication design, animation, interaction design, mobility and vehicle design. So these are all the courses offered in different IITs. So everything is design oriented courses from IITs, and also most of the or reputed institutes in India. So as you can see, design program is most important, and also job oriented courses all over the world, demanded courses. You can take an advantage while applying these courses. The eligibility for this examination, they should have a degree, a diploma or postgraduate degree program for a minimum of 3 years. So the eligibility criteria is at any degree or diploma. So must be appearing final year examination. So they are allowing even the final year examination candidates. So final year also eligible for this. And remember, there is no age limit to appear this CEED entrance exam. And registration fees is 1600 for all women candidates and 1600 rupees for SC, ST, PWD, 3200 for all other candidates, the registration fees. And late fee of 500 will be, if you apply after the stipulated time period, that is from October 17th till 17th, the late fee will be considered into your account while applying. Instructions: you need to have a photograph and scan copy of photograph, signature, and also requisite diploma, degree, certificate. And if you are appearing final year, if you are from final year, you need to have a certificate from the principal of the college or head of the department as per the format. So you need to bring that a form from the college, should be by the principal or head of the college, so that you cannot apply. Instead of provisional certificate, you need to upload that principal or college head certificate. So this is for final year. And EWS, so you need to have a recent certificate, that is EWS or SC, ST, OBC and still if you are obtaining that reservation criteria. So this is regarding the application criteria, and also this is also services of describe and compensatory time. So there will be an extra time given to PWD candidates. So this is regarding the CEED examination, admit card availability. So we are coming to the important aspect, how the syllabus is. So for CEED 2021, the part A will be consisting of these topics: visualization and spatial ability, that is pictorial representation of some diagrams that will be manipulated in 2D 3D shapes. So it is a basic thing. Environmental and social awareness, so general awareness about some of the factors of environment, climate, population, water, vegetation, pollution, weather, natural resource. So all of environmental and social awareness. And analytical and logical reasoning, that is ability to analyze any given information logically. And also language and creativity. So this is regarding the ability to distinguish innovation or options to think out of box. What a language and creativity. This is part A of the, and also design thinking, problem solving. This is regarding the part A. And part B consists of 5 related topics, as we have already said. The topics are drawing, that is ability to draw the products, because it is a design oriented course. So this is regarding the purely based on the design course. So this is what 75% weightage given to part B. So first thing is drawing, second is creativity, that is ability to think out of box, and also communication skills, ability to communicate the concepts and idea clearly. This is called writing skills. You need to write it on a paper and you need to hand over to the invigilator. It is consisting of 75% weight. And also problem identification skills, that is ability to understand the user and context, knowledge of properties of materials and their appropriate design, etc. So this is what the syllabus for part B. It is 75% weightage. So it is 75% weightage for part B. Part B is very important. This is what the aptitude test, and also this is regarding the reporting examination center. And also if you have any doubts, you can contact to the requisite mail ID. So this is the website, and if you have any doubts regarding any administrative things, you can contact to this ID. This is in brochure. So this is regarding the admission criteria for CEED. Now we'll see a registration form, how to apply. Just click on, this is the official site of CEED, which will be conducted by IIT Bombay this year. I will give the link in the description. If you just click on registration form, you will be directed to this page. So CEED 2021 common entrance vote, and you need to click on register. If you have registered, you can click on login. First you need to click on register. You will be directed to another page. See, this is what you need to create via some email ID to register. So this is what you can apply your examination. If you have any doubts regarding this examination, please do comment. I will definitely reply and clear your doubt. Do share this with your friends and those who are eligible for this. Any degree or diploma candidates are eligible for this. Please do share this. If you have any doubt, please do comment. So thank you. Have a great day.